Today we would introduce our Vici 4060 series insulation multimeters to you. This series DMMS are featured of the insulation test and multimeter 2in1 function. They are designed for various application fields. And currently there are 4 models for us to select. Here we just take the Vici 4060B Plus measurement for your reference. This model is outstanding from its insulation and inductance measurement. And the universal voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, temperature, frequency, duty cycle, diode and continuity tests. Also its true RMS, NCV, backlight, low battery indication and auto power off functions make the measurements much accurate and convenient. If you are interested or have question, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you.